This is pictures from 5:36 to 5:59. So in that short period of time you see how fast the storm moves. And we are right here, and this cell just went through, and this here is coming our way, and will be here very shortly. And then we have one more coming here, but that's probably going to the south, and that should be pretty much the end of the day. And here's the same picture magnified. We are actually pretty much down here. This is I-20. This is the bridge over Lake Oconee here. And so this cell is probably more coming to the south of us, or just over us. We'll find out. Okay, now we have this last cell approaching under surprisingly light skies. The rain is falling, but not particularly hard. And the pond still can make use of some of additional water. Here the sky looks a little bit more menacing.